The Lord alone has showed marvelous works, for his love endures forever. Oh, give thanks to the Lord, for he is good, for his love endures forever. Give thanks to the God of God, for his love endures forever. Give thanks to the Lord of Lords, for his love endures forever. Who alone has showed marvelous works, for his love endures forever. Whose wisdom it was made the sky, for his love endures forever. Who feeds the earth firmly on the seas, for his love endures forever. It was he who made the great light, for his love endures forever. The sun to rule in the day, for his love endures forever. The moon and the stars in the night, for his love endures forever. The firstborn of the Egyptian is smooth, for his love endures forever. He brought Israel out from their midst, for his love endures forever. Strength with power in his hand, for his love endures forever. He divided the Red Sea in two, for his love endures forever. He made Israel pass through the mist, for his love endures forever. He flung Pharaoh and his force in the sea, for his love endures forever. Through the desert his people he led, for his love endures forever. Nations in their greatness instruct, for his love endures forever. Kings in their splendor he slew, for his love endures forever. Zion, king of the Amorite, for his love endures forever. And God, the king of Bashan, for his love endures forever. He let Israel inherit their land, for his love endures forever. On his servant their land he bestowed, for his love endures forever. He remembered us in our distress, for his love endures forever. And he snatched us away from our fault, for his love endures forever. He gives food to all living things, for his love endures forever. To the God of heaven give thanks, for his love endures forever. Give praise to the Father Almighty, for his love endures forever. To his Son Jesus Christ the Lord, for his love endures forever. To the Spirit who dwells in our heart, for his love